how to deal with Sansa. And if we don't have him, I guess we're gonna have a problem, bro. Posting on books, even the songs Nazi, I the songs are more vibe rather than to go straight into hip hop one. Because we all sing on me. Hip hop is not like kind of his style, the way that he used the pen. I still don't the way I guess it's the voice, woman, the way you deliver. Because of it, not the one in a quite sharp, but if you can't deliver, like your voice is not determined for someone to rap, no one. I guess the ones who either the new is a but I haven't seen one. How come Metro nowadays I change album within a month I was another time I was measured carry at one again. That means there's something wrong, man. There's no I'll not push you on but push is watching the sign. There's was much about no prison sign. I should have social media that cases quitting. You know one. What do you Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy LBK of Sunny Africa. You know what it is, we back with another bang. Yo, today is Sunday, eh? So I guess we're going to have a big it's a Mamelodi Sundowns against Orlando Pirates. This one is gonna be hard, bro. Like you don't even know which team you're gonna. I'm gonna. Be. It's not like I'm gonna support Mamelodi Sundowns one day. Just I'm a lot of Pirates fan. Like Zawuma, woman, the Pirates. I mean, I know that. Just that. Hey, he game there today. Hey, it's literally like you guys' game is not about the whole piece of play because of literally. I feel like this is the game near the way to determine the league. Doing that in the game near the way to determine the league. Like for real, worry. Leave your team near the J League. And then go to real lesson because of hey, no sport really returned last game. Last game here at Ampana year for that I'm not gonna collect the fees. Zvingadhiri zvinonzi tournament zinoningwa dzikaphumi ya ndazitoziva nainke haitichiti ngazimboyokopa mwana mara toziva second league yari baizisa blind mara isalagiri yaiopa kono rumini mara because of kutorotobona this one kutorotobona just hopefully rutamwe maybe we will have Saleng back just hopefully we will have Saleng back because of Muna Paleng is the only nigga who knows how to deal with Sundowns, you know. He's the only nigga who knows how to deal with Sundowns. And if we don't have him, I guess we're gonna have a problem, bro. Like we really need the boy back. One. The boy is in the room thought as a straight monopoly talent KK. One. I'm trying to come to because of literally we don't have a striker. We can't stay my bad because it's not a consistent strike. Come on, I'm trying to ruzura kokora every time. One. But Bonga win. But even though I the core sometimes, man, I strikers lose our consistency. Come on. I don't know. I'm trying to that. I thought the problem with Orlando Perez, it does not have a super sub. One, it does not have a super sub. Like all we does, we have a team like a first 11, but we don't have that person with a team like literally is struggling. But maybe I change time. One, yes, we used to use Fuking as a super sub, but because of most one of those weight, I mean, we have no choice but to remain. Rishimisa Elek ka first 11 years. And then it was going to so Kuri Kawadaha. We really need people like your Starling back at the team. Kum to those of Kuma, I'm not mum to an to the rather than me. Starling like literally, the other team got on to the Timon Ropes there is like, nah, game you come into us. And if Ranga we know which one us in it, and there are we still have those 4 games in it. I'm going to cover Sundown. I'm going to cover still though with one hope. But if today we lost, I guess there is no hope. The number of which league is Sundown. The number of which league. And the issue is because this season we're literally hoping with the challenge Quran in Sundown. We're hoping we are finally Sundown we're gonna give it a huge when it comes to challenging it. But I guess we challenged it. Because if you can check team in our number 3 Ichimrao ngare kuipanga kuma 10 points on. Or nothing or na 40 150 team number 2 I guess now 32 somewhere back then as you said we will no longer talk about Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs win position 8. Kaizer Chiefs lost position 8. Kaizer Chiefs drop position 8. What's wrong with Kaizer Chiefs, bro? Like it's really problem like Kaizer Chiefs today feel. Zote zinazoyazi Chiefs isizo zikwe ya top 3. So I don't know the problem ya Chiefs itawa IPO ine ya title kana item Israel yeah pale homo arizo zibo zuri the Chiefs. Mara he This match is very scary, and I guess even the tickets are not sold out. Oh man, but I guess time when I so rich fill up, come on, stadium. But I guess people were saying only kids the Chiefs is the one. Just like the Chiefs is the used supporters, come on. So go match learn more. So guys are the ones that they tell me because come on. There's that 90 people would really the Bible so don't want to the minimum. Mara literally I just hopefully remain a win no match. I don't win now. It's been long since I with Jelly. We really need to stop that dominance that he has. On like Zuzu Jakapa Munich last season, most actually Charlie Gingaba Lavaski. On yeah, in children. It's not a jelly. I think we lost the 10th in a row or what. And Dortmund uses the message. Man, I don't want to use the message to take a league that's like Marathon because with the back. And the ones who the time in Mara literally not really phone. I'm like, hey, I will go to buy sundown no. And like literally to buy snail and rain. And I won't know those who say, it seems out the ice and go reach a league can win. In your league, the taste to the we win one guy. Like literally every time uboko to win a sundown there's no more uboko win rene tam was daminyan win sometimes yan kongwan literally to the we on every time so I thought maybe a sundown during the jelly I guess now it's not good bro like literally it's not good I be good by town na I don't look at the chicken question I guess a blender as parents kunya league because if it's all the years cup me needs more because she I mean ari kuita nderechiji eko ndiyo ngambiri ubava ngomwana mara literally chinenge chinochinyana ronyaga league ndikaresa munhu rokumujeli I think rokumujeli I think from 2013 it's been long I think it's been more than 10 years since the row in the league because I just I guess now 10 years ekumo win a cup over and the current I let you know and just because the last time won a cup was I think it was chifhinga chemusi Stuttgart takatowa hone kumwana chile chipinga kazina hai azvino zvine kuita ikuzavu ngadera dzotiri irwere iwine mini ite zvinhu zvote mara literally ratizvibonzura they still una like ine kwana ine gotobharo because that is to win the league or to win a cup itu tu ndasvika pune asiko yeso picture wakati omakupe cup zvosvika zvisina ndava nezvikapu zvone zvitamba kasi timu dziri nedzitano unowo zina dzi big teams like us Orlando Pirates dziva dzisini mwana ndikuona mara wozodita nange ungona mami I guess Real Madrid played the problem is that Barcelona has a game in hand because of last week we didn't play because we were supposed to play and then there was I think this was the team medical coach some of them but died so I guess they were given time to heal so the ones who did I mean tango ndinopisa zoshuma tango ndinopisa rozama zama rawina nari so we really need to win kumwana erikozozo win ngemwe yakamazawo I don't know if we're going to win like literally we really need to win in league kumwana and ezvikori bharera ngamanda rokuzama yazo win in league man zvikozotobhara kumwana kobhara ngadera dzote I don't know if you mean rikozama yasa one is cup mara still aunoriwina kotibhalero aritoona zotoita yamini zvinhu zvinji zvine zvanga zvikoita mara agesi chine chikutobharisa press mwana polisa lane you gotta be bad boy tomere vasimba itori vaitesa ndiwe nonsi nakona Orlando Pirates wakona Sundown ezvingari varapeza mwana on the music stuff because of last time ndorichi yako record I was supposed to talk about Playboy Carti's music album. At the album, I'm waiting for it. But literally, stuff is not recorded. And that's the problem. Come on. Literally, stuff is not recorded. The album was out. So that means Nendo Town is under. I couldn't wait more. I was already tired by waiting. Bro. Like, I wanted to talk about it, but I couldn't talk about it because of. Yeah, because of give me such car like for don't do me and I wanted to represent for record on and if album is over so yes I am a music and you know I guess it has already broken a record for the biggest opening streams I guess you need to 3 million streams like only on Spotify. We're not even including like your Apple Music, your these other digital platforms. Only on Spotify, you know what the biggest and they have Brangai. So because YouTube when you track that this will be more one point something, one point something con. I guess now trying to come to yo, why can't you Lamar is now running to Atlanta to wait those hits, what you used to say no. Why Drake ran to Atlanta when you needed hit more. So I was one of any mulina one there Atlanta who younger hit one. So as it is going to tell the people are saying, yo, defense Kendrick Lamar, why are you using this time to put your Drake shit? Now people are yes, we have to say this is not a Kendrick Lamar shit. One. And you must not take the spotlight from Playboy Card. One. That guy deserves it. Because of we waited for his album for years, bro, like for years. But at least we're still on. One. So I guess people just understand that this is not Kendrick Lamar's style. And the Kendrick Lamar must not shine with other people's albums. One. He must not. He must just chill there with his own things. It's not his show, this one. As a show, yeah, Kendrick Lamar. Come on. The show, yeah, Playboy Card, and music, the track is that was out. Even though you have three songs on each, so we just have to say, I guess I wonder why Drake didn't get a feature from them. Come on. But I suppose it is what it is. One. Man, I got them on rules that today, I mean, man. So I guess while we're still on music, Never Blue just released an album. So it's called Rondo Rush. I think it's Rondo Rush. Yeah, yeah, man, it's a great album. Come on. Is that I guess, man, yes, it's just that most of the songs Kyle album is most of like the love songs. But I guess in the even the music away time, come on. That's why even in a album, what I mean, it's a love song space. Come on, even just because of the music that he does, that guy. Come on, even the track yeah, like as long as we can a guy, it was come on, it's most of like I guess he does music for maybe for ladies because she wanna take as nchi zinazodaresa kusudi uziphi kusudi uzazizodaresa zine zinto ezikhombe wathi so I guess zimwe zintune odishuma zokuthi matosa lezo video shisa hani as unerekhobona ngazo because of I was expecting ukuthango over Friday I guess thango wana delays when it comes to distribution that is why album yokuzile over yovanga Saturday that is over in Friday people wana delays nyana mara yone ndithanda ne-album iningi ukuyibona ukuthi ngathi into shuma kwabo even though put out even though he's already on the game on but I guess maybe to put him on another level I'm in game okay like literally I'm in right now like I'm gonna do these things so that's what the one through the I mean but I listen this one and that one I guess the more put on the stocks it's all the tracks in the what's going put on and I put so the one to do the timing ezvidaka zvizvi zvinenge zvazvikushibira mara akese handimwe zitaka zvinenge zvatomushumira zvavhuḓi even album I guess though muwana neexposure che even as vhathu vevasamboni kumona and this na vhathu vanji vavasa even though I it's just that me ndomuḓivangela track azvingo zvikanaka but it's not like it's not been around for a minute it's been around for a minute ndikara chikupusha kumona and you saw chikwamba there was one track he's saying yo I remember in grade 7 ndikuimba but vachikonzert only three people were cheering and the others were swing so really one zuru the I mean but I guess I don't know what I mean but the one or the time so man this one track is also the shuma so I guess which means but I haven't seen what manjo is poster I guess maybe time marketing over week that's why the song is not like even the album is not booming like that because of nanda those when but I saw it on TikTok. Just that I think about the push it doesn't do these things of promoting, you know, like paying the promoters, you know, but we was born very cool, who dear, or some promoters, trackers that I guess all the details draw in the moon, then I will follow him. But the push about the Smith phone never could do but I haven't seen much of people doing it. It's never thought back high now matter. Come on, but when you work as well, but I guess it's part of the game. Come on. So look at the kind of music. What some wrong is out. Just that I'm not impressed. Bro. Like that guy, you know, you need to stop rapping. Like atofocus maybe focusing on hooks. Even the songs nazita aite songs are more vibe rather than to go straight into hip hop one. Because of we all sing on meaning hip hop is not like kind of style the way that he used the pen. I still don't the way I guess it's the voice, woman, the way you deliver. Because of not one in a quite sharp, but if you can't deliver, like your voice is not determined for someone to rap. No one. I guess the ones who either the new music, but I haven't seen what I call push a man. For the music video, no sharp, woman. That's historical music video out sharp now. Yes, music video sharp. Look over no show much. Even I should wonder if check a last work with a 1.5, I think 1.5 or 1.3 views on one in a day. So I guess and this is also much about it. It's just that they're not pushing each other, those guys in the Machiavelli. Most of album ya Metro, I think I to present I'm with, but listen, album ya Metro hasn't even spent a monthly. I to present album ya Metro to present with Mara. Out na mtu nakatiamba ngayo. Mwana isimizi yofa. Mwana. Ana mtu na mtu ndinyi mtu nakatiamba album ya Metro. Album ya Metro ina mwezi mara out na mtu nakwamba ngayo. Ndizonga zvinotokuti how come Metro nowadays achinga album within a month auchana kuti muchina kwamba akusimbedza kuti kai kadivaoneka that means there's something wrong man. There's no aunopushiwa kuna vapusha zvinhu vachine sign ezvi vasinga chava nopedza unisigna achina zvizvinhu zvine ringarika izvo zvikuitiwa nekomana watori zvamuzika zviyalemera kuna guys nekongwana zvamuzika nazvo zvadedaemerera andifanira zvimwe zvitiwo mwana zvamuzika zviyalemera ende music I'm true and you will never know really which song is your hit, which song is not your hit, which album will be your greatest album. You know Kungana, when time already if you name that the one I know this and then and then this being a situation and I don't know success and I don't know damos maybe the album that the one go feel maybe it was cool but it was good to hear man we'll just have to see what they tell me we'll just have to see what they tell me in the album and better with the album is which brother would matter. I guess maybe, but I guess maybe. The bonus of the time in Bana. Literally, every single day I go show Mokongana. Guess even me, like, guess was Saturday. That's where the great studio time. Like, I guess like there's something coming between like your MRX, your NTRS. Is that guy? I don't know. What is his name? Actually, I'm forgetting his name. Just that I know his real name, which is AP. But literally, at this like his stage name. Come on. I think it's MLDX. There's something in that. Come on. I guess Marala will push. I guess the pushing just that with the create studio time and KIM Rex. Yeah. So the ones who do the work with I mean, so you just do the work was born or do the work with music and come on. So I guess we just have full MRX will just drop a dope EP because of like I can really confess with yeah. Those songs that is next go shoot up and there. Yes, I don't know. Not actually, I've just thought on I'm saying, though I mean, must say the meaning because of I'm really part of Kuman. But what I can say is just that we should be hopeful there's something big coming from your MREX, your MTRS Kuman. So we just have to, stay low, just watch the space. There's something that they're about to throw out those guys. So the people who they tell me, but something is coming to your NTRS, your MREX, something big is coming between you from your MREX, your NTRS. Mara the ones who the work which is fine, so but really that was good and for the and this is what do they tell me. This is album this up I guess on the Fridays and this lesson and because you Nadia Nagaya. Is that no these last albums I'm not really I'm not impressed with the album. So the ones who they tell me, Mara the ones who the people have eaten now. Lots of as more than as they eat to well or so the ones who they tell any cousin. Or is special cover one so this way into those great command. So the one or what will happen. But I guess I'm going to say good album the one of the welcome but from my perspective I'm not seeing it's a good album one. I'm not saying I do know we always have that statement to me. We have to talk about the politics side. Well, I've watched Chumagama there's politics. When it comes to the politics, there's no more first class aeroplane. There's no more. During which was credit card, I don't know, like a first class, they will fetch the economic class. Come on. So I guess this one also needs to go in because they used to get like 1 million, like money. One year to Schumacher is growing. I mean, let's say reduce what right now is going to 500. This year, I was born. The money that go up, but it's too much. Here, go up, but I guess we have to like kupunguza ngomwana and I guess ukuthi asizwa ukuthi kabaita kan baita kupunguza uzibone uzoni no thelelengisa ine vhathu vha khou ṱuwa yone ngona apele vho sana mishumo minzhi ine ringa ri vha khou ita so ndi nga vhona uri vho ṱuwa shuma zwavhuḓi when it comes to it uri vha zwi vhona uri these guys they're wasting our monies but mara I guess dzi ministers nga so zwo zwi takalela hezwo zwithu I guess ndi tshone tshine tshi ḓo takadza na dzheni uri u ḓo wana zwithu zwinzhi zwine zwa ḓo tshintshiwa rather than musi kha ḓivha heḽi ANC ḽithihi man ANC nthihi na ḓo wana i tshi khou nyanga u ita zwithu zwayo nga nḓila dzayo zwezwo zwine dzi politics dzedzo dzi tshi khou nyanga u tshimbila nga heneyo nḓila ngoma a ri ḓo ḓivha mara ri ḓo ḓivha hu khou itea mini zwithu zwinzhi zwine zwa ḓo vha zwi khou ḓi phushiwa hanefha around and the other thing yo bro yeah it's a huge milestone so from you goes to be so was to just reach a 1 million subscribers on YouTube. That's a really great thing when it comes to even the content creator side. Upon on Konsata, one look on a reach like even a million. Come on, let's say it's a very big milestone. Even this some content creator will be like amazed. Yo, bro, the boy just reached a million. Yeah, I guess it's a very cool milestone to reach. So that's one of the way they I mean, Mara literally the way that Shumanga doesn't do as about this narcos one which creator when it comes to the content creator it reaches one of the always in a platform even it's content creators you always go inspiring it's not always go to some even for content creators to grow even in South African one. So I guess even more opportunities will be there one when it comes to the content creator because of if they are seeing someone doing content creator rather than maybe it could be like Emoji who first did it. But those ones, they are podcasting in Kumana. So they are putting on the hour side of Kumana when it comes to podcasting. Then that's side on the when it comes to content creator, who people like make people laugh, those type of things. I guess this one also a good thing I am getting Kumana cut that side one. As usual, go shuma draw the line. So I guess the way the shuma as well. That's what we do about time. So usually, I guess it's just that I saw that this interview is gonna be short because I'm just wanna like literally hasn't been much chit chat like literally this week. Yeah, I don't it's not yesterday this week because of I record every episode like a day. I will see now it's Sunday. That means I'm gonna record another episode on Tuesday, another one on Thursday, another one on Saturday. You understand? But the one is all the chimney and the sweet and literally zwinzhi zwine zwa ḓo zwi khou itea mara it's really nice to ḓo ri khou vhona zwithu zwa so I guess ndi kha ḓi vha na iṅwe topic yes I don't have another topic let me check here. Yes there's no more topics in this great mama I literally this week I ain't going to wana zwithu zwinzhi zwine ndi nga ri kha zwo itea like I was hopefully ṱhaṅwe mara I guess ndi hezwo ndi tshi rekoda nga Sunday night most of the time ndi vha ndi sina dzi topic because of things I was quitting. The most of the time, the one is not stupid. Even on Friday, the one is not stupid. If you can check now, or the one goes one. I mean, the video is not as was now above an hour. That means one is stupid. So right now, I don't have much of it. Topic unless the one got one maybe tomorrow. Meaning the court case and I guess it's going for a bail hearing. Yeah, Elani, not for the murder case. No, for the for the stealing as well as growing. I mean, I guess it's over as well. So the ones who they did. I mean, man, this is a good thing. The ones who they did. I mean, I guess another thing. Yeah, okay, yeah, nice one. I wish I got it wasn't I young. The boys literally doing it. Tribal boys just bought another car. Like how many cars are there? 4, 5. Is really doing it, but the boys really doing it, and it's very mind wise. It's not like Chevy. Chevy could have been having more than 10 cars because likes to drive himself, he does to call his cars. Kwashikana, I mean. Then he go in Chashewe, he already crashed with it. That guy, I don't understand him, bro. It's him driving. Man. I don't know what to do, I mean. But I guess I think I don't have much topic to talk about. But I guess you know what, this is your boy LBK Sunny Africa from Amaria.